Hi guys, welcome to our series all about Wix carts, orders, and checkouts. Today we're going to learn how to mark multiple orders as fulfilled on your Wix site. Let's get started. On your site's dashboard, go to Sales and go to Orders. Here, select the orders that you would like to mark as fulfilled. Once you're done selecting, click Mark as Fulfilled here at the top. A pop-up confirmation will appear, and depending on whether or not your selected orders have been paid on this pop-up window, you'll see options to mark them as paid and send shipping confirmation emails, which I'm going to do so that the customers will know that these specific orders have been marked as fulfilled. Feel free to tick these items depending on what you want to do with them. Then, once you're ready, click on Mark as Fulfilled to complete the action. And that's it. That's how you mark your orders or multiple orders as fulfilled at the same time. We hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and consider subscribing for more Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you guys in the next video.